Welcome to Fluent English with M I Shah. Today's tense is small but powerful. The past perfect tense. What is past perfect tense? We use it to describe an action that was completed before another past action. Structure. Affirmative. Subject plus head plus past participle of verb plus object. Example, I had finished my work. Negative. Subject plus had not plus past participle plus object. Example, she had not called me. Interrogative. Had plus subject plus past participle of verb plus object. Example, had they left already? Examples, I had eaten before he arrived. She had completed the task. They hadn't seen the movie. Had you studied before the test? When do we use past perfect? Number 1. Two past actions. One happened before the other. Example, he had left when I reached. Number 2. To show cause effect in the past. Example, she was tired because she had worked all day. Number 3. In storytelling or reports. Example, the criminal had escaped before the police came. Common mistakes. Wrong, I had went there. Right, I had gone there. Speaking practice. Repeat after me. I had finished my dinner. He had left the office. Had you seen the result? We had not met before. Bonus tip. Always use past participle of verb after had, even in negative or questions. If this helped you, like, share and subscribe to Fluent English with M I Shah. Let's keep growing together. Thank you very much.